What is going on, everybody? For those of you that don't know me, my name is Julius. I'm a college student, and my brother and I started this power washing business a little bit over a year ago in the midst of the corona outbreak in March. And since then, we've done pretty well, and I started documenting the whole journey of starting this business last year. And I'm trying to grow this channel more and more by kind of showing you what we're doing, marketing tips and tricks, which I'm going to be going a lot more into depth into upcoming videos. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe to that. And I'm pretty much just going to be documenting the whole journey of growing as an entrepreneur from my first business model, or one of my first business models, to wherever this takes me. So if you're interested in anything like that, definitely subscribe. And I invite you to check out my other videos if you're interested. And leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll definitely answer to you because I don't get a lot of comments. So definitely leave a comment. And let's get right into this video. So as you can see, this was a crazy moss-filled roof. This is probably 10 plus years of moss growth on this roof. But as you can see, I got most of the moss off just by sweeping it. And I knew spraying it with SH wasn't going to be enough. And you definitely have to please the homeowner a little bit more, and when there's this much moss. So we got off most of it, and it already looks so much better. But I also did spray it with 5% SH, 5% SH mix after this, just to get the rest of the tiny pieces that I couldn't get with the broom off of there. And we're just gonna have to let it sit for a few weeks to a few months, and the roof should look much better once it's all fallen off. But with these kind of roofs, when the moss growth is this bad and there's this much moss on the roof, you have to realize that moss and all these different fungi eat away at the limestone in the shingles. So when it's been left alone and unattended for this long, these shingles are probably super deteriorated. So I did tell the homeowner that, and just to expect that they might be needing a roof replacement at some point. And it's something that you should definitely always tell your customers when a roof looks this bad and has that much fungi and moss growing on it, because it could be a liability issue to you, and definitely to them as well. You want to make sure that you're covering yourself, and you're also telling the customer and being honest with them that you could do whatever we can to wash it, but the shingles aren't going to strengthen back up. They can only get cleaner, and at some point it might need a roof replacement. So definitely make sure you're always being upfront with your customers, no matter what the case. And they'll really appreciate that. Being honest in business is always very appreciated by customers, even though it doesn't always feel like the right thing to do. It definitely is, and you should always be honest with your customers no matter what. But so I did this roof while my brother was starting on the house, and we did this entire house and the roof in about 4 hours. So we definitely could have done it quicker if we had better machines. But we did, as you saw in my last video, we did finally get our 4 GPM. This was obviously filmed before we got that new machine, so the job would have went even quicker with the new machine, but we didn't have it yet at this point. We're kind of backtracking here with the videos because I got a little bit behind. However, their doorbell, when I was watching their house, also started going off randomly. I took it out and realized that the 2 wires connecting to the doorbell were not covered anymore in insulated stuff. So I realized that the wires were touching and causing the doorbell to go off. I don't know how or why it started when I was watching the house, but it just did. I took it out, wrapped some electrical tape around it, and then it was all good. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or concerns or anything, definitely leave a comment below. And if you found any value in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.